Challenges are what make life interesting. Overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. You can chase dreams for a lifetime, and they're no more than dreams. The pursuit of something greater than ourselves is not about our age, it's about our passion. The only way to prove we can achieve something is to just go out and do it. If you liked the message of this video, leave your comment, writing which quote you liked the most. There are other messages from other authors that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.